Welcome to Foliotek. This video is designed to show you how to create a presentation portfolio for use in your courses at Dallas County Community College. When you are ready to create a portfolio, click the Create Portfolio button. To begin building your portfolio, first follow the three-step process of choosing a design, choosing the type, and giving it a name. First, let's look at the design. There are two types of designs. Custom designs, denoted by the gear icon in the upper right corner, allow you to make many changes to style, color, and configuration. Basic designs, which do not have the gear icon, only allow you to make a few changes. Let's select the first design. Next, you'll need to decide what type of portfolio you would like to create. You will see listed several options. Some courses will ask you to use the Learning Framework type. In the future, you will see other types listed that have been designed by other courses, and your instructor will advise you as to what type you need to select. For our purpose today, we will use the Learning Framework type. Now, give the portfolio a name and click Create Portfolio. Now that your portfolio is created, you can begin your work. On each page, there's a short paragraph describing what your instructor would like to see on that page. Once you have read those instructions, you can highlight and remove them and begin adding your own content. With text, you can use the toolbar at the top to change the font, change the size, change the color. You can also make it bold, italics, or underline. You can even add a link to another website if you'd like. To place other documents in your portfolio, you must first add them to your Files area. Click on the Files tab, and then on Add Files to do this. Once they are added, as these have been, you can click on a file and then into the page to add a link to that document. If you want to add images or videos, that is done in the Gizmos tab. Here, you can click on a gizmo to add an image from your Files area or the Internet, add a video from a popular site such as YouTube or blip.tv, or a feedback page. Your instructors expect you to add a feedback page to any portfolio you create. We will look at this process in a moment. For now, let's add an image as an example. Notice you can add your images. These are images that are stored in your Files area, or you can add an image from the web. At this time, we're going to add an image from our Files area. And notice how the image is placed in the Content page. The Pages tab allows you to rearrange the pages of your portfolio. Simply grab the page you wish to move and drag it to where you want it. We saw the feedback gizmo earlier. Let's add that required page now. You can add pages by clicking on Create New in the Pages tab. Then give it a name and select Empty Content Page. When we click Add Page, notice it's added to the list of our draft pages, and it also appears here in the editor. Now we can go back to the Gizmos tab, click on Feedback Form, click into the page, and add the feedback gizmo. We can also edit the text here to let somebody know what we want them to do. Now, when we share this portfolio, those who view it can let us know what they think. On the Pages tab, you also have the option to publish the portfolio here. That makes it visible to others. The Design tab can be used at any time to change the look of the portfolio. If a custom design was selected, you can change the layout by selecting any one of the different options. You can change the background, and there are hundreds of options to choose from. And notice how it changes immediately, so we can begin to see how those changes affect our portfolio. And by selecting the Styles tab, you can change the site as a whole, you can change the title and the header, the main page of the portfolio, and the other menus that are available. Simply apply them to make them permanent. If at any time you'd like to save the changes that you've made, simply click on the Save button. When you're satisfied with the way it looks, you can share it with your instructor or someone else using the sharing link. Here, you can share it by email using the Send Invites page. You can share it publicly, which will be placing it on the internet for anyone to see. This is also the place where you can view any feedback that's been left on the feedback page that you created. If you need help with your portfolio, the help link may provide useful information, or you can call us at 888-365-4639 and select option 2 for technical support. Our team is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time. This concludes the video on creating a presentation portfolio for students at the Dallas County Community College District.